Good afternoon, everybody. This is an example of one of our custom-built OEM type style engines. It happens to be a 400 Pontiac. Gentleman wanted us to use all his cast iron block and cast iron heads. But again, what we're done with it, this thing is like a brand new engine. We took his block, we decked it, we line hoed it, we bored it. Took his crank and cut it. We took his rods, put ARP bolts in them and resized them. All Cleveite bearings. This still has a hydraulic roller camshaft in it also. Cylinder heads done with all new valves, springs, retainers, keepers, and we put new screw and studs in here, mainly push rods and Scorpion aluminum roller rockers. Intake manifold the same. Carburetor is a brand new rebuilt carburetor, actually a brand new quadrajet, correct?
Yep.
Brand new quadrajet, all set up. For this motor, EGRs on this thing. This is an all original piece, but it's funny. We've got MSD distributor in it also. We just got just about 397 horsepower at about 4,500. So it's all done right there, but again, what a fantastic piece. So again, if you have anything in mind, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace and God bless.